Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin na sisi ni watu wa insurance. In case you are catching this channel for the first time, we do civic education as well as reviews on insurance, especially within the Kenyan market. Now, in today's video, I just want to reappreciate you for those who have sent me questions. We started a small journey. We started a journey of picking questions that is in regards to insurance. So if you are there and you have a burning question, whether you want to buy an insurance cover and you don't have the correct information or the right information, or maybe you need some assistance or clarity so that now you can be able to buy insurance from a point of understanding, we have been collecting sample questions just to respond to them so that we can respond to them in later videos and try as much as we can to respond to help you understand what you are looking for. Now, the reason why we took this journey is because from my own experience of maybe 2 years thereabout of being in the insurance industry, I have realized that people buy insurance either because of one of these three reasons. Number one is they buy insurance from because it's by law. And a good example is you have a car. For you to drive your car legally on the roads, that is within Kenya, you are supposed to have an insurance cover on that car. Otherwise, if you don't have an insurance cover, that is considered an illegality. Okay. Then number two reason why some people buy insurance is from a point of fear. And a good example is a medical cover. A medical cover gives you protection against a financial struggle in the case where you are struck by a disease, or maybe your family gets into a medical crisis, you have a medical bill to pay. So from that point, maybe you fear that you may not be able to handle a disease in your home. So some people buy from a point of fear. You understand what I'm saying? Then number three, which I think is the best category of people, is there are those people who buy from a point of understanding. They have really understood these policies ins and outs. Okay, so you buy because you understand what is contained in these policies. You buy from a point of you understand the goods and the bad. Okay, so that is the best category that you're supposed to buy insurance. You are supposed to buy insurance from that point of understanding. Now in our channel, we basically bring you as much information as you need to be able to buy insurance from a point of understanding. I requested that you send me some videos or even an audio asking me any question in regards to insurance, and we'll be able to we'll try our best to do videos responding to those questions and giving you every detail that touches on the question that you have asked. Now in today's video, we have a sample of what I've been looking for, and I will be responding to these questions. And I really want to encourage you guys, continue sending those questions, and I would be happy to walk with you through this journey. And what we say in this channel is that you need to consume insurance responsibly. And the reason why some people are frustrated because of insurance is not because insurance is bad. It's not because it's not because that insurance products are bad. It's just because there's information that you are supposed to be given at the point where you are buying an insurance cover that you never got. Okay, and a good example, and I will keep repeating this until it gets into your system, a comprehensive cover. Some people assume that they are fully covered because they have a comprehensive cover, which is not the case. And I said one of the reasons why it's not the case is because there's a cover, we call it an excess protector, that gives you a complete cover for your vehicle. And why it's important to have an excess protector is because there's some money that you're supposed to contribute in case of a damage on your vehicle. You're supposed to contribute from your pocket. That is in case you haven't paid an excess protector. Okay, so an excess protector comes to give you that complete cover on your vehicle. And again, we said you need to have a personal accident cover just to make it complete. You need to have the car insured, fully covered, plus the driver. So you need a number of covers. And this information, some people, when they are buying comprehensive cover, they think that they are completely covered. When it comes to claim, then they are told that they are supposed to make some payments just because they did not have an excess protector. So at that point, they think that the insurance what? Insurance is bad, which is not the case. Now we are trying to educate you and to make it easy for you to buy insurance covers from a point of understanding. Okay? Now I want to read you some of these questions so that at least you can also prepare yourself to send that clip or that audio. I said you record an audio and send it, and I'll be able to pick up from there. So this is we are calling this one. We are calling this. Okay, it's kind of a campaign. Tunaita KYC. Know your cover. Okay. So question number 1 that I have received, which is very interesting. What is the connection between insurance policies and tax in Kenya? Or alikuwa nauliza in short, kindly explain tax relief. Because if you have an insurance cover that is a life policy, whether it's an education or investment, you deserve to understand what this tax relief thing means, and how are you supposed to claim tax relief if you have these life covers. Okay. And then number 2 question was what are the hidden charges in education policies? Okay, you need to understand some of these things. So long as you are putting your money in a policy, you need to have this information. Then number 3 was what happens when a person takes an education or investment policy and is unable to pay after some times, or even skips the payment for some few months or even 1 year. Okay, so what happens when you skip paying these premiums? And then the final question is there a cover that protects is there a cover that protects for job loss? Okay, so is there a cover that you can pay in advance so that maybe if you're not certain about your job, it can cover you for some time before you get stable again or before you get into another job? So these are some of the questions that we have corrected, and we'll be happy to respond to them in the coming video. And I'll encourage you, keep sending these questions. It's worthwhile because you need to buy insurance product because you understand them, to avoid frustrations. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I'm expecting to see your question. I'm expecting to see your audio and your video as well if you can. And thank you very much for walking with me through this journey, and I hope I'm